Hey, if one of your bud is not working on the Huawei FreeBuds 5i, let me show you how you can try to fix this problem. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to input both earbuds inside this charging case, close this case, and now input here the USB-C cable and start charging for like 10 to 20 minutes. When you do this, you will have to open this charging case with the both earbuds inside, click and hold this button that is located on the right side, and now keep holding until this indicator starts blinking white. So it will take probably around 6 to 8 seconds of holding this button. There we go. And now when it actually starts blinking white, you can just release. As you can see now, this indicator just disappeared completely and it starts blinking again. So we can close this case, open it. Now try to remove previously connected earbuds, connect them one more time, and you can tell me if it works. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.